Assalamu Alaikum. In today's class, I will tell you about some basic nodes which help us to animate photo and video frame, which helps to improve our effect. So let's start. When we create a new project, we see basically two nodes in the visual scripting panel, the start node and the update node. Up visual scripting panel, screen can be zoomed in and zoomed out with the center wheel of the mouse. Currently, I deleted the update node. To delete any node, select the node and press the delete button from the keyboard. Then it will be deleted. And from here we can extract and enlarge it, which make it easy to work. I first take a screen image, resize it and apply a texture to it. Add another screen image for the background. I'm adding a start node. Use start node to trigger the next node after starting. Adding a set visibility node. Set visibility node makes any object visible or invisible. I'm adding a screen tap node here. Screen tap node execute the next node when the device screen is tapped. It is executed as soon as the finger touch the device screen. Drag the object you want to make visible or invisible from the hierarchy panel to the visual scripting panel and connect it to the target. Or delete it and select your object directly from here by clicking the option given in the direct target. I make a object invisible from hierarchy panel and in set visibility I turn the visibility. Now as I tap on the screen, the object which I made invisible becomes visible as soon as I tap. Now I add another node, wait for seconds. In it we set the time of seconds and execute the next node after this time. Like now I am putting a time of 3 seconds in it. Now I like as soon as I tap on the screen, the tab screen node executes the wait for seconds node, which after 3 seconds will execute the set visibility node. We can do many things with screen tab node. I give another example. Like I want to change the position of my object when I tap on the screen. So I will click on my object and in inspector panel I am clicking on this dot with position. It will give me two options. Get position and set position. Click on the get position, it will give us the current position of my object, and if I want to set the position of the object, I will click set position. Now in this I will add the value of x and y position and link it with the tap screen node. Now as soon as I tap the screen, see my object is changing its position. Now with this I also add the set scale and put the scale value of my choice. Now see on my click, it is changing the position and the scale as well. We also add a rotation value to it. So that when I tap on the screen, its position, scale and rotation will all change. I hope you have understood well the nodes explained in today's class. In the next class, I will show you more nodes that you can use to make your effect even better. So see you in the next class.